So in this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can use your AI in your Notion application. So first, you need to open your Notion application. Then you have to click on new page. Then you can just type any wrong spelling or any sentence. If it is wrong, it will be automatically corrected by the AI of the Notion application. So for example, uh, I write here video and I will write a wrong spelling of idea. And then what I have to do is I can just click on here. You can see here, let me tell you the icon here. You need to click on that. Then you can just click on fix spelling and grammar. It will be automatically suggest you fixed, like you can see here, video idea. So you can use this tool. uh, this will be very helpful for your writing purpose.